All right, here's a beautiful Tri-5 Chevy, 1956 Chevrolet Belair Sedan. This particular car was in the same family for many years, and then it was restored, had a frame-off restoration done in 2009, and it's painted in, the color on it is very unique. It's hard to have the video here even do it justice, so you kind of have a, it comes across a little blue in the video. It's more of almost a little green to it, but this darker color is kind of a deep dark green, maybe a little bit of blue to it, but it's just a beautiful combination. Right there is a pretty close indication of what colors this truly is. There is some extra paint cans in the trunk that have the paint codes and everything on it if you ever have to have anything touched up, but it's a very interesting and nice looking two-tone color car. Underneath the hood, it is powered by an Era Correct 235 inline 6. That is paired with an automatic transmission. Of course, the 56 is up in the front, a little different grille than the 5s and 7s. 56 is lots of times people's favorite in the Tri-5 series of body styles. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, a little bit about what's underneath the hood. That 235, that has about 12,000 miles on it, so it's a fresh overhaul. Aluminum radiator with an overflow, so nice setup underneath there. Does have power brakes, front disc power brakes. Also has 2-inch drop spindles in the front, chrome wheels, new front end by Canter, and also new shocks and springs. A little bit about the front suspension. Does have a Pertronix electric ignition on it also. And we'll pop the hood here in a little bit and I'll show you some of the things underneath there. New tinted glass, and it's not real dark, just a nice look to it with that slight smoke, slight tinted glass. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email. But yeah, this gives you a really good idea of the color, and just a beautiful combination. Bright work chrome, all polished, all very nice. Now, of course, the gas fill in these was the rear taillight. And you can see the bright work on it. I mean, lots of times this is pitted. A lot of these emblems would get pitted, but this, nice shape. I mean, you're going to find a few imperfections maybe in the paint as you look around here and there. Yes, but overall, very nice condition. This car you'd be proud to take to any of your local car shows, cruise-ins, just out to drive. And I tell you what, these four-doors really become more and more popular. I think with grandkids going with people taking family members, you can haul some people in them a lot easier than the two-door. So these have really been gaining traction in the market. Now remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. And kind of the two-tone theme is carried on throughout the interior, and also nicely done in the trunk with that paint. There's some extra fabric, some samples, and some fabric if you'd ever need it too. Alright, now this is a true Belair, which of course we can tell by the VIN right here where the C is. Does not start with a V. It was originally a inline 6 car, the way it still is. I believe it may be the original engine, but it is an Era Correct 235 in there. And then the C would be your designation for Belair. There's that two-tone theme carried through the interior. You do have seat belts in this car. Wipers work, horn works. They got a nice little aftermarket gauge cluster in the center, and we'll check that out. Those all work. Headliner, also in nice shape. Just a beautiful interior in this car too. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. We're gonna take a look under the hood too. All right, and the fuel gauge did move there. That works. Like I said, wipers work. Here's your little aftermarket gauge cluster, just nice and neatly done. Water, oil pressure, volts. Other than that, very original looking dash. Heater fan did work. It does blow, different speeds. The actuator doors change. And again, the horn does work. Just a very quality restoration on this. You can just see it throughout. Nicely the door closes, everything fits. Listen how smooth that runs. Slip around to the back, you can hardly hear anything back here. Smooth running inline six. I'm going to pause this video a second. I want to pop this hood and give you a good look at the engine bay here in a second too. Alright, so there's an aluminum radiator. Even look at the horns. Chrome all polished on it. Aluminum radiator, the overflow. Power brakes, again, front disc. You can just see how nice and tidy and neat this is. Look at that 140, it stands for horsepower, 235 cubic inch inline six. Nothing to hide under the hood of this one. Beautiful engine bay. And again, about 12,000 miles on the overhaul. So there you have it. Looking for a nice Tri-5 1956 Chevrolet Belair 4-door sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check it out. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you email or call.